Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about the essential role of maintenance mechanics in industry. Let's jump right into it. The essential role of maintenance mechanics in industry. Maintenance mechanics are the backbone of many industries, ensuring that machinery and equipment operate smoothly and efficiently. Their expertise not only helps to prevent costly downtime, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining safety standards within the workplace. In this blog, we will explore the essential responsibilities, skills, and impact of maintenance mechanics in various sectors. Responsibilities of maintenance mechanics. Routine maintenance and inspections. Maintenance mechanics perform regular checks on machinery and equipment to identify any signs of wear and tear. This proactive approach helps in detecting issues before they escalate into serious problems, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of equipment. Repairs and troubleshooting. When equipment malfunctions, maintenance mechanics are responsible for diagnosing the problem and implementing effective solutions. This may involve repairing or replacing faulty components, which requires a deep understanding of various systems and technologies. Installation of equipment. Maintenance mechanics often assist in the installation of new machinery and equipment. This includes setting up, calibrating, and ensuring that everything operates according to specifications. Safety compliance. Ensuring that machinery adheres to safety regulations is a vital part of a maintenance mechanic's job. They regularly inspect equipment for safety features and work to maintain compliance with industry standards. Documentation and reporting. Maintenance mechanics keep detailed records of maintenance activities, repairs, and inspections. This documentation is essential for tracking equipment performance and planning future maintenance schedules. Essential skills for maintenance mechanics. Technical proficiency. A strong foundation in mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic systems is crucial for maintenance mechanics. They must be familiar with a variety of tools and technologies to effectively diagnose and repair equipment. Problem-solving skills. Maintenance mechanics must possess excellent problem-solving abilities. They need to quickly assess situations, troubleshoot issues, and determine the best course of action to minimize downtime. Attention to detail. Precision is vital in maintenance work. Mechanics must pay attention to minute details, as small oversights can lead to significant failures or safety hazards. Communication skills. Effective communication is essential, especially when working within a team or reporting to management. Maintenance mechanics must convey technical information clearly and collaborate with other professionals. Physical stamina and dexterity. The job often requires physical labor, including lifting heavy equipment and working in awkward positions. Maintenance mechanics should have good physical stamina and manual dexterity to handle tools effectively. The impact of maintenance mechanics on industry. Cost efficiency. By maintaining and repairing equipment, mechanics help companies save money on costly repairs and replacements. Regular maintenance leads to improved efficiency and productivity, resulting in lower operational costs. Increased equipment. Lifespan. Proper maintenance extends the lifespan of machinery, allowing companies to maximize their investments. This longevity is critical in industries where equipment costs can be substantial. Enhanced safety. By ensuring that equipment operates safely, maintenance mechanics play a crucial role in preventing workplace accidents. This commitment to safety fosters a culture of health and well-being within the organization. Improved productivity. Well-maintained equipment operates at peak efficiency, leading to increased productivity. Maintenance mechanics contribute to smooth operations, allowing businesses to meet production goals and deadlines. Conclusion. Maintenance mechanics are vital to the smooth operation of industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. Their skills and expertise not only enhance equipment performance, but also ensure safety and compliance within the workplace. Investing in a skilled maintenance team can lead to significant cost savings, increased productivity, and a safer work environment. As industries continue to evolve, the role of maintenance mechanics will remain indispensable, making them essential contributors to organizational success.
Found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.